In the first problem we're going to solve, we're going to find the derivative of the following function by definition.
The formula for that is f for x plus delta x minus f of x, and all of this over delta x.
Now we're going to solve the following problem. So first of all, we're going to plug in the formula to all the x's of the problem. So first is 3x plus delta x to the second power plus 4x plus delta x minus 1. And then the next step is to put this formula, like the f of x. So we're going to put minus 3x to the second power plus 4x minus 1. And all of this divided by delta x.
Some things you might need to solve these problems are.
So when you have a plus b, like two numbers to the second power, or like a problem to the second power, the product is going to be a to the second power plus 2 times ab and plus b to the second power. And also you could have a plus b cubed, and this will be a to the third power cubed plus 3a to the squared times b, and then plus 3a times b squared plus b cubed. So for this problem, we're only going to use this formula because there's nothing in the problem to cube. So we're going to erase this. And we're going to explain this more. So then we're going to do this squared. So we have 3x squared plus 2 times x delta x plus delta x squared plus, and here we can do
distributive
property. So it's going to be 4x plus 4 delta x minus 1. And here we can do also distributive property to this with a minus. It could be like minus 1. So it's minus 3x squared minus 4x plus 1. And then you should never forget to divide by delta x. So here, divided by delta x. And then we can simplify this more. So we're going to do, so we also will do here distributive property. So it is 3x to the second power over squared plus 6x delta x plus 3 delta x squared plus 4x plus 4 delta x minus 1 minus 3x squared minus 4x plus 1 divided by delta x. So now we're going to see if we can cancel some of the numbers here. So as you can see here, we can cancel the minus 3x squared and the 3x squared, so we can cancel them. And also the minus 4x and plus 4x, so we cancel them. And minus 1 and plus 1, so we cancel them. So now, without these numbers, it will be 6x delta x plus 3 delta x squared plus 4 delta x divided by delta x. And then we are going to, so now we're going to take out the common factor of the upper part. So we're going to take out the delta x, and it will be 6x plus 3 delta x plus 4 and divided by delta x. So you can see here that we have delta x and delta x, so we can cancel them both. So now we will have 6x plus 3 delta x plus 4. And now when you have something left with delta x, you have to multiply by 0. So you will have 6x plus 3 times 0 plus 4. So now you will have, well, the final answer will be 6x plus 4. And remember to always box your final answer. And that's the answer. Thank you.
So I'm gonna show you how to evaluate limits algebraically. When you solve it algebraically, when you have at the end of the equation 0 over 0. For example, in this problem, if you plug the 5 into the x, you're gonna have 0 over 0. In this case, what you need to do is to use the basic factoring rules to solve the problem. For example, here, you're gonna have x minus 5 and x plus 5. Because if you multiply these, you're gonna have this. And here, you're gonna have x minus 5 and x plus 3. Because it's what you have when you factor these. Then, because these parentheses are the same, you can cross them. And you're gonna have x plus 5 over x plus 3. Now you're ready to plug the 5 into the equation. So you plug the 5 plus 5 over 5 plus 3 gives you 10 over 8, which also is 5 over 4.
As you can see, if you graph the equation, you're gonna have this graph, and the point is located exactly in the x5 and in the y5 over 4. That means you did a good job when you factored.
For the last time, yeah. Maybe I know that I'm drunk. Maybe I know you're the one. Maybe I'm thinking it's better if you drive.